cooking my first tomahawk steak. Right here, I'm searing it on both sides. Then from here, I'm going to put it into the oven. Then I'm going to let it cook on 250 for about 1 hour. I checked it. It needed to cook for a few more seconds. So I'm going to put it back in there for a few more minutes. Then I'm going to baste it on the other side. Then after that, it should be done. I'm going to let it rest. Then I'm going to show you how it looks straight out the oven. And then we're going to slice it and we're going to give it a taste. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. Okay, so I let it rest. So we're going to cut it off the bone and let's see. It's still kind of hot. Ooh, look at there. All right, that's a little bit of pink. Let's see this other side. Oh yeah, can you see that? Oh, goodness. Let's cut it. Let's give it a try. Oh, I think I did good. Oh, look how easy it's cut. Look at that. Look at the end where it's seared. Oh. You see, I got Caesar salad right here. I'm gonna have Caesar salad with it. So I don't know if my head is in there or not because today was Sunday. You know, I went out last night. Oh my God. Look at there. You want a bite? Who want a bite? I know somebody want a piece. Oh. Oh, it's so tender. Oh. I went to the steakhouse Fleming's. Oh, I think I'm up there with them. Oh yeah. It's still juicy. It's not overcooked. Oh yeah. All right, family. I don't want to come and share. First time cooking a tomahawk steak. I'm going to have to get these more often. Look at that bone. Oh, I know my daughter's dog gonna have a field day with this. I've been looking for a dog too, so. Oh, my goodness. I don't know if you guys can see me or not, but this is so good. I'm gonna cut another piece. Look at how tender that is. Wait, let me see. Let me see if you can see me. Okay, you should be able to see me now. Oh, let's give another try. Ooh. Man, look how tender that is. Ooh. Ooh. It's like it just melts in your mouth. I have just the right enough seasoning. I did that process you're supposed to do with the salt. To break it down. Oh yeah. All right, people. Well, like I said, I'm having the Caesar salad right here. And that's going to be my dinner. The Caesar salad. Now I'm going to slice this steak. Cut me a little more. I'm going to save that fat for the dog. Or maybe I can make some beef and broth or something. So you to cut all the fat off. Oh. So anyway, thanks for being here. Hope you enjoyed this little cooking experience. I know I did. And even the part right here that I was concerned about, look at it. Look how good it's cooked inside. Oh yeah, just a little pink. Look at there. All right. Okay, people. See you in the next video. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok. I would insert the my channel name. I get it confused sometimes. All right. See you in the next video.